Hello beautiful people, welcome to another recipe. Guys, before we start, let me warn you, Ladyfingers are that type of recipe that quietly enters your life and refuses to leave. You bake one batch just to try, next thing somebody will ask you, please, when are you doing another one? You think it's a joke, it is not. Today's recipe, you are about to create a snack that disappears faster than your mobile data. Let's begin, guys. First time I heard about Ladyfingers, I thought it was a nail style, truly. Nobody told me it was a biscuit with attitude. Then I tasted it and my brain said, so this is why people behave themselves around tiramisu. Ladyfingers are sweet, light, crunchy on the outside, soft inside, like biscuit with proper home training. And today, I'll show you how to make them. But you know me, we're adding small gist to make it even sweeter. So one random Wednesday, I was in the kitchen minding my business when I suddenly felt like baking something simple, not a cake, not bread, like not anything stressful at all, just something quick. I opened my fridge, saw eggs looking at me, and I said, yes, you come out. That's how the Ladyfingers journey started. No plan, no deep thinking, just vibes. The funny thing, when they came out of the oven, my whole kitchen smelled like somebody's childhood holiday. Instant happiness. I didn't know I was making a snack that would scatter my week, because by evening, people had eaten everything, like everything. That was when I realized this recipe is too good to gatekeep. Now let's talk about the whisking part. When it comes to whisking your egg white, don't rush it, do not panic, just whisk and watch the magic. There is something peaceful about it actually. Like your brain takes a small break, the world is quiet, it's just you, the bowl, and your hand working hard. Then suddenly, stiff peaks appear. You start smiling like, yes, I am that baker. Even if the whole day went somehow, whisking egg white will remind you that you can still create something beautiful. So now that you have learned this recipe, I must warn you, you'll bake it again and again and again. People will request it. Children will look at you like the hero of the house. Someone will say, please, do you still have more? And when that moment comes, just remember, it all started from this small video. Enjoy your Ladyfingers, my dear positive vibers. And if you finish the whole tray alone, do not worry, your secret is safe with me. If today happens to be your first time of coming across this amazing channel, I encourage you to subscribe, like the video. Let's have more people watch this video. And if you have not dropped a comment, please do well to drop a comment in the comment section. I'm definitely going to be seeing you in my next video. But before then, stay blessed, stay lifted. I love you and God bless you. Bye guys.